Can you turn around and I can see how you are moving?
आप सामने करो, सामने करो। Okay, सामने करो।
She wants to see how he's doing at the back. पीछे करो, हाथ पीछे करो, हाथ पीछे।
She wants to see from behind. Okay. Yes. Ready? Okay. 43, 92, 50, 18, 67, 26, 71, 39, 85, 40. That is 531. What is the process? Process क्या है? Process is what they are doing is beats को visualize कर रहे हैं बच्चे अपने brain के अंदर. जो beats बच्चे abacus operate करते हैं, just show me the abacus. Okay. This is our master abacus. What they do is बच्चे ये कैलकुलेशन इतनी फास्ट कैसे कर रहे हैं? इन बीट्स के ऊपर सारी कैलकुलेशन होती है. बच्चे पहले नंबर्स को इमेज फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, बीट की फॉर्म में. जब मैं नंबर्स बोल रहा हूँ उसको पहले बच्चा इन बीट्स फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करता है और उसके बाद ये बीट्स के ऊपर सारी मैनिपुलेशन होती है और वापस जब आंसर आता है बच्चे का तो ये बीट्स को कन्वर्ट कर देता है नंबर फॉर्म में और अपना आंसर देता है. तो नॉर्मली इट्स ए प्रोसेस ऑफ, एज यू कैन सी कि जब मैं क्वेश्चन बोल रहा हूँ बच्चे को एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर में जाने के लिए शायद 1 सेकंड का टाइम भी नहीं मिल रहा है. इट इज लेस देन इवन 1 सेकंड. द स्पीड, जिस स्पीड पे मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ बच्चों से, वो स्पीड के ऊपर एक नंबर से दूसरे नंबर में जाने देयर इज हार्डली एनी बिट, इट्स ए फ्रैक्शन ऑफ ए सेकंड. दिस इज द पोटेंशियल आवर ब्रेन इज कैरिंग. सिर्फ उसको टैप करने की जरूरत है, बच्चों को वो मौका देने की जरूरत है कि बच्चे व्हाट यू कैन डू. हमारे बच्चे जो आगे चल के आप जैसे देख चुके हैं कि बच्चे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे भी जाके परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं. उस पोटेंशियल को टैप करने की जरूरत है. ये बीट से जब बच्चे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इफ आई टेल यू कि व्हाट these beats mean, if one beat is touching this bar, answer is 1. 1 का इक्विवेलेंट जो है abacus के ऊपर, this is equivalent to 1. 2 beats 2, 3 beats means 3, 4 beats means 4. Upper beat is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, then 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8 and 5 plus 4 9. It is same all over. पूरे abacus पे it is 9 only. सिर्फ प्लेस वैल्यू है जिसके थ्रू बच्चा टेंस पे, हंड्रेड्स पे जाएगा. If I do it here, it becomes 99. If I do it like this, now it becomes 44. Same 4 if it goes here, it is 444. So it's easy to understand, very easy to apply, but only one requirement is daily practice of around 15 to 20 minutes. 15 से 20 मिनट की प्रैक्टिस आपके बच्चे के अंदर वो रिजल्ट्स दे सकती है जो आपने कभी सोचे भी नहीं होंगे कि हमारा बच्चा ऐसा कर सकता है. एक बार सम, यस, एक बच्चा करके दिखाएं. एक सम आ जाइए आप, कोई भी इधर एक को पकड़ लो, आप बोलो सम आराम से. यस, रेडी, धीरे-धीरे बोल रहा है. यस, 7 minus 5 2 6 4 8, that is now answer is 22. इसमें कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, बच्चे की सिर्फ वो बीट्स की पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है. देयर आर सर्टेन फार्मूलाज, इसके अंदर कुछ फार्मूलाज हैं जो बच्चे को अप्लाई करने होते हैं. उस फार्मूला को अप्लाई करने के लिए भी हमारा ब्रेन इतना कॉम्पेटिबल है.
This is 20, this is 20.
Yes, I have told you. Yes, 22. Once again, एक और क्वेश्चन. 27 59 32 57, that is 100. Yes, there what they are doing is, अब आपने जैसे देखा कि बच्चे ये क्वेश्चन बीट्स के ऊपर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ बीट्स की पोजीशन चेंज हो रही है. यस, अभी यही बच्चे जब मेंटली सम्स को सॉल्व करते हैं, व्हाट दे डू इज इन बीट्स को विजुलाइज करते हैं ब्रेन के अंदर अपनी खुली आंखों से. एक चीज को विजुलाइज करने के लिए उनको आंखें बंद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. खुली आंखों से उस बीट्स को विजुलाइज कर रहे हैं. मूवमेंट सारी यही चल रही है उनके ब्रेन के अंदर, लेकिन बीट्स उनकी फिजिकल नहीं है, एक वर्चुअल बीट्स हैं जो उनके ब्रेन में सेट हो चुकी हैं, जिसके थ्रू बच्चे इतनी फास्ट कैलकुलेशन करता है. इवन थर्ड, अगर हम ट्रिपल डिजिट पे चले जाएंगे, हम ट्रिपल डिजिट का एक सम करके दिखाता हूं, तो डबल डिजिट से ट्रिपल डिजिट पे आते हैं. यस, खड़े हो जाओ इधर. यस रूप, ट्रिपल डिजिट 5 रोज. ओके, रेडी. 185, 607, 948, 264, 576. That is?
2580.
Yes, that is correct. 2580. There is no potential, there is no limit. किस लिमिट तक आपका बच्चा जा सकता है? It depends upon the child and teacher and parents. It's a three-way thing. बच्चा, parents and teachers. Rather I say कि only two are involved. Parents and teachers. 50% contribution parents करेंगे, 50% teacher करेगा. Your child will get 100%. बच्चे को कुछ नहीं करना है.
But the teachers are also special.
Yes, definitely. Parents and teachers both can do wonders with the child. बच्चा 100% देगा आपको every time.
Can they do by this system their normal mathematics, which is in their course syllabus?
Yes. Rather they will do it better because they will understand it better.
They can do by this system also?
For calculation purpose, they will use abacus only. Even I have started using for multiplication purpose. Normally I use abacus method because that is easier one. I can't do it that much faster, but the speed which I am using, I am getting a better speed than my normal one. So definitely abacus it does help.
क्या करना है बच्चों को? कुछ करना है? क्या करोगे? Can you give 5 for multiplication?
Multiplication.
Right.
What?
इधर उल्टा करो फोन का. चलो. Like showing or typing. Delivery is
Brain sends message.
आपको नहीं करना अभी. कहाँ पे जाएगा?
सोखे मैं तो कुछ कर
See how fast he has done it. If he has to speak out these numbers, he will do it like that he is reading the tables. It is as quick.
Our chief guest, Mrs. Madhu Behel, to speak a few words to us.
ये मैडम इधर.
Good afternoon, dear parents and the organizers of UCMAS Abacus system. I am also a fresher like all of you. Rather, I am it's an amazing exercise these children were doing. In my knowledge, I have never seen such kind of mathematics being done by this system. I was knowing about abacus, right? I have seen it in the newspapers and seen in the outer poster walls of the few institutions that they are grooming the children for this abacus system. But I was not knowing that the UCMAS abacus system is a very big organization, and it is being taught to these children at the international level. First of all, I would like to congratulate these small children for achieving the target at international level. My heartiest congratulations to the parents and to these children that they are so prompt in doing the exercises by the hands and their eyes movement. It is very, very good. I just gone through the brochure of UCMAS, and that it comes under Guinness Book of Records also. And the 47 countries had participated in Malaysia this year in November month, and are these special children who have won prizes at international level. They have made our head high, they have made the head high of our country, and to their parents and to the institutions where they are studying, and to the teachers, especially those who are teaching these children by this special system. I am so impressed that I would be requesting them to come and teach my school children also. I don't want the exceptional children like 4 or 5 to be taught by. I would appreciate if they come forward, teach my school children who are in large number, at least 2,500 children of my schools are also trained like this, I will be very happy and thankful to her. My Sanjay is like my son. I'm very happy that he is also sitting and is appreciating the whole system. It looks he has already implemented in his school. And my best wishes, special congratulations to the parents and the children who are being trained by this system. Thank you very much.
May I request Mr. Sanjay Sardana to speak a few words, sir? Protocol? No, sir, I'm sure you'll have a different, you've been younger to us, you'll have different ideas, sir.
Sanjay is
Good afternoon, all of you. Protocol-wise, I apologize to ma'am because the chief guest is supposed to speak in the end, and I was supposed to speak earlier in case I had to. So my apologies, ma'am, for that. But I just need to say 3 things to these young children who are very intelligent and who have impressed one and all. Dream big, do big, and God be with you. Thank you so much.
Guide and Mr. Surendra Saini, may I request you to speak a few words, sir?
My dear media people, you have seen this program. This is a biological program, scientific program of the right side brain development program. This right side of the brain, भाजी 1 मिनट गल 2-3 मिनट की गल है कि ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਹੈ ਪੇਪਰ 'ਚ ਅਸਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਹੈ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਿੰਗ ਇਸ ਦਿਸ ਥਿੰਗ ਕਿ ਇਹ 2 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ 4 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 12 ਸਾਲ ਦੀ ਉਮਰ ਤੱਕ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਾਈਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਬ੍ਰੇਨ ਹੈ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਹੋਣਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਾ ਔਰ ਦਿਸ ਬ੍ਰੇਨ ਇਜ਼ ਟੂ ਬੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪਡ ਥਰੂ ਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਆਫ ਦ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਜੋ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਸੀਨ this is a regular practice daily for 20 minutes. We give the program in the schools for 2 days in a week, and regular practice is being done by the parents at their home for 20 minutes. This is not a business. We are making the children for the nation. We are making these children for 3 seconds. They give the results in 3 seconds results. At 3 seconds, decision maker children. They may be a deputy commissioner, they may be SSP, they may be a doctor in the operation theatre. These are the national property, and you have seen these children, these are public school children. The Director General of Education called us that, can you give this program to the students who are studying in the government schools, Punjab government schools? We said yes. Can you give this program in the remote area and the villages? We said yes. Can you give this program to the Kandi area, village side, near the river bank, where the children have got no boot in their feet? Can these children be educated by this? Maybe yes. We have got a pilot project of 3-month program, at Sultanpur Lodi program, and the managing director, Mr. Dhaka, Speed Dhaka, and his team. Regularly, we have trained the government primary school teachers of Punjab government at Sultanpur Lodi block of 40 schools and 1100 children. And with this program, we make the, first of all, motivated the teachers. This is a very amazing position that Punjab de which mathematics